In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Yahoo Mail. Let's dive right into the process. First, we're going to start by opening a Word document. This is where you'll craft your signature outside of Yahoo Mail, giving you flexibility with editing and formatting. In this document, type out your personal details. Think of including your full name, your job title, contact information, or maybe even a personal quote that represents you. Customize this space to reflect who you are and what you'd like others to see every time they receive an email from you. Once you have everything to your satisfaction, you're ready for the next step. After you've typed your signature, select the entire text. You'll want to highlight everything that will form part of your new signature. Once your text is highlighted, go ahead and copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or you can use the convenient keyboard shortcut, usually Ctrl-C for most platforms. Now, open your web browser and log into your Yahoo email account. Just head over to the Yahoo login page, enter your credentials, and sign in. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click the little gear icon, which represents Settings. A drop-down menu will appear after clicking the gear icon. From here, you need to click on More Settings. This will take you to a page with a variety of customizable options to tailor your Yahoo Mail experience. Once you're on the More Settings page, look at the left-hand side of your screen and click on Writing Email. This section is specifically for adjusting how you create and manage your emails, including adding a signature. Now, scroll down the page until you find the Signature section. You'll see a toggle switch. You need to activate this step, as it is crucial because it turns on the signature feature in your Yahoo Mail account. Without this enabled, your signature won't appear in your outgoing emails. The next part is simple. Click inside the text box found in the Signature section. This is where you'll be pasting the text you copied earlier from your Word document. Just place your cursor in the box and right-click to select Paste or use your keyboard shortcut to drop your signature into place. There you have your new signature, ready to add a professional touch to all your outgoing emails. Remember, you can always return and edit your signature by following these same steps if you need to update your information. This tool allows you to continually experiment with the format to see what looks best for you. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial makes setting up your email signature in Yahoo Mail quick and easy.